Hey guys, John, Vaporonic Technologies here today, coming to you with another informative video talking about the environmentally friendly option of cabinets and processes that we build and develop for you as the customer. One of the claims to fame with vapor honing is that not only is it dust free, but it's also very environmentally friendly. What we do is mix water and abrasive together and sometimes a gentle, mild detergent to clean certain parts, but we do that in a fashion where we're not polluting and damaging the environment. The things that we're mixing and combining do not make hazardous waste and make hazardous material. Now, on the flip side, whatever you're blasting and whatever you're removing from those parts could generate and create hazardous waste. So be mindful of that. Do testing. That is totally up to you as the customer to make sure that you are obeying local and federal laws. But again, what we do as a company, mixing those three things, a mild soap, water, and abrasive sometimes, we are not creating toxic, hazardous waste. So that's one way that we're environmentally friendly. The second way is when you order a closed loop system from VHT. That closed loop system is circulating wastewater back into the machine, and the machine expels wastewater, and then so on and so forth. So you have this closed loop, which is used for rinsing parts and rinsing the window, that really helps reduce and basically reduce the consumption of water. Versus an open loop system where you're using water every day to rinse and then you're expelling that water. A closed loop system is kind of using that over and over for days. So those are two major ways that we help reduce waste and make you a more environmentally friendly business with your new vapor honing machine. Hopefully that helps. If you have questions, call or email the sales team. They're always here, happy to help. As always, thanks for watching.